This is the tutorial for the Mike HODL Stop Loss calculator. Let's go over some basic features. Here at the top you have a toggle selection between shares and options. We'll do this tutorial in shares. This is a link for the tutorial video for the stop loss calculator, which is more than likely how you got to this video. And we have the title, Stop Loss Calculator. Determine your stop loss price based on total risk. Here you have three fields of entry. The first field, average share price. This is where you would put the average price of the shares that you have in your position. Field 2, number of shares. This is where you'll put how many of those shares you have for this position. And the risk amount. You put the dollar amount that you are willing to risk on this trade. Once you do this, you press calculate and it'll give you the trade details. Let's take a look. We'll put an average price of 25. We'll say that we have 15 shares. And we will risk $50 on this position. Let's press calculate. And here go the details for your stop loss. So this tells you where your actual stop price would be if you wanted to risk $50 with the average share price, or your entry price, and the number of shares that you have. So here's the target loss that you're looking for, which would be minus 50, and then here is the actual loss based on the information that you entered. So you would really be risking $49.95 at the stop loss price of $21.67, and you have 15 shares at $25. And then there are other details here that you can look at as well. At the bottom, once again, we have about this calculator, an example scenario, and the value in your trading strategy. Take a moment to read over those, get familiar with this calculator, and that sums it up for the Mike HODL Stop Loss calculator.